Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to see one of the government scheme related to agriculture, that is Rashtriya Gokul Mission. This scheme was launched in December 2014 under 12th 5-year plan, and the main aim of this scheme is to conserve the indigenous bovine breeds such as cattle and buffalo for improving the milk production and productivity. And this mission was launched under National Program for Bovine Breeding and Dairy Development, that is NPBBDD, during 12th 5-year plan. Okay, now let us see about the objectives of Rashtriya Gokul Mission. Here, the first objective is to develop and conserve the indigenous breeds such as Sahiwal in case of cattle and Murrah breed in case of buffaloes. And the second objective of Rashtriya Gokul Mission is to initiate the breed improvement programs by using crossbreeding techniques. And the third objective is improving the milk production and productivity. And fourth objective is using elite indigenous breeds such as Gir, Sahiwal, Rati, Dione, etc. for upgrading the nondescript cattle. And fifth objective is distributing the disease-free high genetic merit bulls for natural service. These objectives are very important in exam point of view. Okay, now let us see about establishments of Rashtriya Gokul Mission. Here the first establishment is National Bovine Genomic Center for Indigenous Breed, that is NBGC-IB. And the second one is establishment of e-market portal, which is called as e-Pashwat portal, or it is also called as Nakul Prajanan Bazar. And the third one is establishment of National Kamadhenu Breeding Center, that is NKBC. And the fourth establishment is initiating different awards. For example, Gopal Ratna Award, which is given to innovative farmers, and Kamadhenu Award, which is given to institutions and breeding societies. And the fifth one is establishment of Gokul Grams for cattle development. Okay guys, that's all about Rashtriya Gokul Mission. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to my channel for more updates.